Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can see WP form entries on the front end after the form submission. So this one is my demo website. Now let me log in. Just you can use this one /wp-admin, and after that log in into your website. Now we need to install the plugin. Just you can go and get the plugin from here. So this functionality will not work in WP Forms free. So just we need to go and upload the plugin zip file. Just I need to go and select the file from here, this one. Let me scroll down. And now I need to go back. So this one is the file. So let me click on properties. And now I need to convert it into the zip file. So I'm not able to upload this file directly. Now just I need to go and extract the file. After that I can open this file, and then I need to convert it into the zip file. Click show more options, then send to compressed. Okay, now let me go back and again select the file, downloads, then open this file. So this one is the zip file. Then after that install button, plugin is installed. Now click activate button. And then go to WP Forms, then click here add new form. Now on this page you can find out different pre-built templates, so that you can quickly create a contact form, subscription form, and many more. Here you can see these are the 2000 templates. So now I want to use this one, simple contact form. After that click save button. Now click here this one, and then shortcode, just copy it. Now let me create a page. Contact, then click edit with Elementor. Before that let me publish it, and after that I can open it, then click edit with Elementor. Now Elementor page builder is loading. Then click here flexbox. After that search for code, then add this one shortcode widget. Then after that add the code here. Now click publish button. Here I can manage the size. So maximum size should be 1000. Then after that this one should be in center. Okay, this one is not full width. After that click here publish button. Now let me view this page. Now here I can fill this form, test 1, test message, then click submit. Here you can see there is nothing. So now let's see how we can see the contact form entries. Now let's go back, WP Forms, and then click on settings, then confirmation, then scroll down, enable this option. Here you can select the preview style, table, basic, compact, and many more. So let me select this one, basic style, then click save button, then reload this page. Now again test 2. Then you can type anything. After that click submit button. Here you can see these are the form entries. So you can change the preview style if you want that entries in the table.